Okay, quick Monday morning radar update. So we're just in a range at the moment, aren't we? As good as an inside day. We had a little dip below on the DAX and the 100. 250 small caps, as good as an inside day there. Well, actually an inside day. So we've got a little bit of Fed news coming out again this week, so we'll see how that goes. I'm just going to jump straight into the volume leaders. I've had a few looks this morning already. Slow start on a Monday. Market's waking up. So it is 12.17. We should have traded 49% to be on average volume. In order of sector, lots of investment trusts in the mix today. Have a look what they're doing. PHTM continues. That's a REIT. It might be an interesting one to some people, this one. Structurally, it's just basically going sideways in a big range. You might want to dig into that one a bit more, if that's your kind of thing. Foxtons is on the return to growth on that one. Anyway, let's move into the higher beta sort. Small caps. 49% should have been traded, and I just need to update the share scope. Filters in order of sector. Get a chart what we can see, hey? So Begbies is basically a return to growth. It's accelerating on its pre-tax and probably, well, definitely decelerating on its turnover. So if you go to the report, you should read something similar, I would expect. Do your own research. You might see it in the future in the screens again. Zephyr Energy, so I rode this one on the way up, and I didn't ride the whole move. POS area held up rather well, hasn't it, actually? It's a good winner though, good winner. Was Northbridge. So this one, pretty boring area, slow moving. People are making money anyway, so stage 1, stage 2, obviously we talked about it over and over again, this one, so I won't keep banging on about it, but it's not exactly racing out of the gates, is it? But it is what it is. Hurricane Energy. Moving on. Move that out of the way as well. So that's all that's in it. It's a pretty slow market today. I've got a huge job building a new sort of engine for the GTRS, and if I say so myself, it's going to be fantastic because there's so much work. I'm actually toying on whether I put the engine into the GTRS or just start moving stuff from the GTRS to the engine, because the engine on its own, what I've built, actually I'm just about to put the breakout and swing signals in it and see how it works without the fundamentals. So I can run it with or without the fundamentals. I can do that with the GTRS anyway, but yeah. So I'm going to have my head in the spreadsheets today, and probably for the next week or so. Okay.